How to fix Snapchat notification not working on iPhone. Let's jump right into the steps. First, you want to go ahead and open Settings app on your phone. Scroll down and tap on Notifications. Now you need to find Snapchat and tap on it. Here you want to make sure that the toggle button for sound is turned on and toggle button for banner is also turned on. Above you can see there are phone-like options. There is a lock screen, notification center and banners. You can remove the tick mark and put it on back again 2-3 times. That is for refreshing. And again, you can do it for banners and lock screen. Now open Snapchat app and then go to its settings. Scroll down to the very bottom and then you will see clear cache. You want to go ahead and tap on it. Tap on clear. Here the work is done. The next thing that you can do is you want to make sure that your Snapchat app is updated. For that, open App Store on your phone and search for Snapchat and make sure that is up to date. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the very end.